Well, this is the first time loading up the two quads in the back of the pickup together. It was a little bit more challenging than what I expected it would be. Riding with my son today, just me and him on the quads. We're gonna go out and have a great day today. So here we go. Let's go have some fun.
A costillas de nosotros, entenderás, menos chismes, más. Oye, perros, siguen diciendo que tú y yo estamos locos.
Es que ese señor ya también, esta señora también dormidón. ¿Se duerme?
This time was a little bit different loading it up and way more efficient. I was able to put the small quad up front, twist it around, then ride this one up. It overhangs by about 4 inches, but putting the ramps, I was able to secure it down. Well, here we are. We made it back to the truck. We're good. I ended up loading up the quads much more different than before, but you know, live and learn. This time I was able to do it in about literally 10 minutes or less. And I had the help of my son there, but we had a pretty awesome ride. That was a totally cool father-son ride. You know, if you'd be interested, I think that would be a lot of fun. Have a bunch of guys and their sons or daughters. So, did you have a good time? How much fun? Like, on a scale of 1 to 10?
5.
A 5? Okay, just ignore that. He had a ton of fun. He had a 10. That's what he told me earlier anyways. Alright. Over and out. Until next time.